Hello, my name is Rahmadi Asani Takwim. My student ID 23015099. My study program D3 Informatics Engineering. Complex sentence with adverb, clause, and adjective clause. Part A. Adverb clause 1. What is an adverb clause? An adverb clause is a dependent clause that functions as an adverb. It describes when, why, how, or under what condition an action happens. It cannot stand alone and needs a main clause to complete its meaning. 2. Difference of subordinating conjunction plus example. A. After vs on as soon as. After the second action happens later than the first. Example. After I finished my homework, I went to sleep. Once. As soon as the second action happens immediately after the first. Example. As soon as the rain stopped, we went outside. B. When versus whenever. When refers to one specific time. Example. Call me when you arrive. Whenever mean every time something happens. Example. She smiles whenever she sees her dog. C. When by the time. When indicates a point in time when something happens. Example. When the movie starts, please turn off your phone. By the time, something will already be complete before another action. Example. By the time you wake up, I will have left for work. Differentiating claim. D. Because versus know that. Because gives a general reason. Example. I stayed home because I was sick. Know that. Reason that is true because something has changed. Example. Now that I have a car, I can travel easily. A. Even though versus even if. Even though introduce facts or real situation. Example. Even though it was raining, we continued walking. Even if introduce a hypothetical condition. Example. I will go to the concert even if rains. To function plus example relative pronoun. Wo describe people subject. Example, the girl who won the contest is my friend. Warm describes people object. Example, The teacher whom you met yesterday is very keen, which describes animal or thing. Example, the laptop which I bought last year still works well. That describe people, animal, or thing general. Example, the book that you recommended is interesting. Whose show possession. Example, the student whose phone rang was embarrassed. 2. Function plus example relative adverb. Where refers to a place. Example, this is the cafe where we first meet. When refers to a time. Example, I remember the day when we graduate. Why refers to a reason. Example, she explained the reason why she was late. Part B. Adjective clause. 1. What is an adjective clause? An adjective clause is a dependent clause that describes a pronoun or pronoun. It usually begins with a relative pronoun or relative adverb and give more information about the noun. 2. Function plus example. Relative pronoun will describe people, subjects. Example, the girl who won the contest is my friend. Whom describe people, objects. Example, the teacher whom you met yesterday is very keen, which describes animal or thing. Example, the laptop which I bought last year still works well. That describes people, animal, or thing general. Example, the book that you recommended is interesting. Whose show procession. Example, the student whose phone rang was embarrassed. Relative adverb, where refers to a place. Example, this is cafe where we first met. When refers to a time. Example, I remember the day when we graduate. Why refers to a reason. Example, she explained the reason why she was late. 3. Essential versus non-essential clauses. Essential clause restrictive. Important information no commas. Examples. 1. The student who studies hard will pass the exam. 2. The car that I drive belongs to my father. Non-essential clause. Non-restrictive. Extra information use commas. Example 1. My sister who live in Jogja is visiting us. 2. The book which I finished yesterday was amazing. Thank you for listening.